So if you have an HHR with a broken mirror switch like I did, I don't know what happened to that part, basically the toggle thing.
On the 06 to 08 first series HHRs, it's really easy to replace this. If yours still has a little rubber insert, reach down there, there's a little tab on the front, you can pull it out, exposing the two T30 Torx screws.
There's two T30 Torx screws. You remove those, this thing lifts out.
Wait, somebody really tighten these screws down tight.
There's one side of a clip retainer that you push out. You take the old mirror switch out, attach the new mirror switch in, put it back together, and that's all there is to it. You could literally do it while sitting in your car. Super simple. No removing the door card or anything. Okay, so to replace a broken mirror control switch on the first edition HHR 06 to 08, I think, all you do is remove, assuming it's still there, you remove the little rubber cover down in here, and there's two T30 Torx screws. You take those both out, and this should just lift out.
Here's some footage I wanted to show of the inside of the door panel before I realized you did not have to take the door panel off to change the mirror switch. And you can see somebody had already worked on this before and broke one of the tabs that holds it into the door panel itself right there. And there's two on each side that it clips into. You just want to push those out, and then you have to remove the white connector from the switch.
You can disconnect it with this one clip right there. Pull the connector off, and push the tab through, and put the new one in.
Here I just wanted to show how the mirror switch connects to the wiring harness. This is when I had thought you had to take the door panel off to replace it, which of course you know now you don't have to do.
And that's what I just did. I was thinking I had to take the whole door panel off, which is in another video. But that's all you actually have to do here, and somebody before me cracked this, so it doesn't look great. But anyway, that's all there is to it. You just take the cover off if it's still there. There's two T30 Torx screws, unscrew them, lift it out, disconnect the old switch. It pushes down through, and put the new one in.
As always, thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.